Hello, beautiful people. Let us use Ankara material to tie a very simple and unique edge wrap. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my material, and it is advisable if you have a very long or a longer material than mine, you can try it out with it. I believe it's going to come out even more beautiful than mine. So the first thing you're going to do is divide that material, make one part a bit longer than the other one. Again, you place from the back of your head like this, grab everything towards the front, and you are not knotting, take notes, you just twist both ends together the way I'm showing in this video. Just grab the two together and begin to twist it till the shorter one finishes. Yes, till it is exhausted, the shorter part. And when it is being exhausted, you direct it towards the back. Direct it towards the back. So when you get to the back, the shorter part, the little one that you have, just dip it in to secure it. So you are left with the longer part. But before you work with the longer part, stretch out that middle part a bit to give you a puffy shape. So the longer part, you're going to work with it now. Just pleat it down, pleat everything down, and you're going to be placing it on your head. So focus your eyes and watch the way we're going to do this. Yeah. Once you place it on your head like this, at the middle, when it is a bit to finish, just use your hand to grab it down and use office pin to pin it down. So that's it. And the excess, you just stretch it out and use office pin to tack it down. I'll do the same thing to the other angle and use my hand to adjust all the adjustables. So guys, what you can do for me on this video is just to share this video. I want it to reach more people who want to know how to tie simple edge wrap. Okay, so we don't know, if you don't know it, someone else might needs it, so kindly share and also give it a thumbs up, and follow if you haven't followed this page for more edge wrap tutorials, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just trying to adjust and arrive at a beautiful look, and I'll just shift it backward and I am done. Look at that. I just pull it out because I don't want it to be too flat. Guys, I'm done here. Look at me. See you next time. Bye bye.